Hi, I'm JR, your resident U-Haul moving expert. We all know there's a lot that goes into packing. What should I pack in each box? What supplies do I need? How do I keep my things from breaking? And that's exactly why we're here today. We're at the home of my good friends Todd and Jesse, who are getting ready to pack, and they volunteered to show you how it's done. Step inside. First things first, preparation. Before getting started on your packing, you're going to want to grab some supplies. You'll need boxes, of course, tape, and some EnviroBubble to keep your prized possessions safe. To get the right amount of supplies, I recommend the free packing planner. Get it at your local U-Haul store or online. You can find a box for every need at your local U-Haul store. Here are the basic boxes: small, medium, large, and extra large. Use the small boxes for your heavier items. I'm talking books, small kitchen appliances like that snazzy toaster, and things like that. In the medium box, you can put those appliances that are a little bit bigger. Those also work great for lampshades. What about the lamps themselves? We've got a special lamp box that will keep your lighting safe and secure. Next up, your large and extra large boxes. They can hold a lot of stuff, but you want to be careful about what you put in them. Loading one of these guys with books or something heavy is not going to be fun come moving day. Instead, use these boxes for your bulky linens, stuffed animals, and pillows. Believe me, your back will thank you later. Those are the basics, but I know you've got some fancy, fragile, and one-of-a-kind things that might need a little extra TLC to make sure it all stays in one piece, like your big screen TV. To safely pack your TV, put the flat screen TV cover on first. Your U-Haul TV box comes with adjustable foam padding. Adjust the foam based on how thick your TV is and position them on each corner, just like that. Now, wrap each corner and cover the TV with movers wrap for maximum protection. Finally, load in one side of the TV first before sliding the box onto the other side. And just like that, it's ready to be moved safely. To keep your TV protected in transit, make sure to always load the TV box upright and place it around large items in your vehicle, trailer, or U-Box container. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. You can use the TV box for other fragile items, like this glass tabletop. Use some bubble wrap and movers wrap and slide it into the box just like the TV. For some of the oddly shaped items, I'm talking golf clubs, vacuums, that kind of thing, use the sport utility box. Let's head to the kitchen and take care of those dishes. When you're packing up mom's old china, you need to know it's safe in transit. So, naturally, you'll use the dish saver kit. Put each item into a foam pouch, then slide it into one of the cells the box is divided into. For other kitchen items, like glasses, bowls, pots, and pans, we have the cell kit and dish barrel box. With the cell kit, you can remove sections for larger items, so it works for whatever things you need to pack. Again, you'll want to wrap each item to make sure it has the extra protection before loading the cell. Load one level of the cell kit at a time into the double-walled dish barrel box until you've filled it to the top. Great! Now your kitchen is ready to move. Finally, let's jump to the bedroom and get your wardrobe packed quickly and easily. Let's start with the grand wardrobe box. It comes with a 24-inch bar you attach to the top of the box. You don't even have to take your clothes off the hanger. We also have the shorty wardrobe box. It has a hanging bar just like the grand box, and it holds up to 80 pounds. For the items left over, we have the lay-down wardrobe box. Any extra clothes or things like sheets, comforters, and blankets can go directly into this box. And we can't leave behind your beautiful pictures and mirrors you spent so much time hanging up. Use the picture packer kit and the mirror and picture box to help your items get from one place to another in one piece. Lay the picture or mirror down flat and put on the corner protectors. Then, wrap the strap around each protector so it stays on. To connect the strap and buckle, make a loop in the strap and feed it through the opening in the buckle. Fold the tongue down through the loop and tighten the strap by pulling the loose end. Voila! Slide it into the picture and mirror box and you're good to go. Well, that does it for getting the house packed. No matter if you're moving your entire house or just taking some things to storage, we've got the boxes and supplies to keep your things protected. Visit the URL on screen for more moving and packing tips. Happy moving!